Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet, and feeling like you'll never achieve financial freedom? Do you dream of being able to work on your own terms, travel the world, and have the time and money to pursue your passions? If so, you're not alone. Many people feel trapped in a cycle of debt and financial stress with no clear path to success. But what if I told you that there's a way to achieve financial independence and build real wealth, regardless of your current income or background? The key is to follow the principles of Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, one of the most influential books on personal finance and investing ever written. In this video, we'll explore the core principles of Rich Dad, Poor Dad and show you how you can use them to achieve your own financial success. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to change your life with the power of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The first key concept in Rich Dad, Poor Dad is that the rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. This means focusing on building assets that generate passive income, rather than just working for a paycheck. Successful billionaires like Warren Buffett and Richard Branson have used this principle to build successful businesses and investments that generate massive wealth. For example, Warren Buffett's focus on investing in profitable businesses has helped him become one of the wealthiest people in the world, while Richard Branson's focus on building successful brands has helped him create a multi-billion-dollar empire. The second key concept in Rich Dad, Poor Dad is to mind your own business. This means taking control of your finances and focusing on building your own wealth, rather than just relying on a job or someone else's business. Successful billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg and Oprah Winfrey have used this principle to build successful businesses that have made them incredibly wealthy. For example, Mark Zuckerberg's focus on building Facebook and expanding its reach has helped him become one of the wealthiest people in the world, while Oprah Winfrey's focus on building her own brand and media empire has helped her become one of the most influential women in the world. The third key concept in Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of financial education. This means taking the time to learn about money, investing, and building wealth, rather than just relying on others to manage your finances. Successful billionaires like Bill Gates and Elon Musk have used this principle to become incredibly wealthy and successful in their fields. For example, Bill Gates' focus on learning about technology and investing has helped him become one of the wealthiest people in the world and a leading philanthropist, while Elon Musk's focus on learning about engineering and entrepreneurship has helped him build successful companies like Tesla and SpaceX. The fourth key concept in Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the power of leverage. This means using other people's time, money, and resources to build your own wealth and achieve financial freedom. Successful billionaires like Jeff Bezos and Jack Ma have used this principle to build successful companies that have made them incredibly wealthy. For example, Jeff Bezos' focus on leveraging the power of the internet and e-commerce has helped him build Amazon, one of the world's largest and most successful companies, while Jack Ma's focus on leveraging the power of the internet and e-commerce has helped him build Alibaba, one of the world's largest e-commerce companies. The fifth key concept in Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of taking risks. This means being willing to step outside your comfort zone and take calculated risks to achieve your goals and build wealth. Successful billionaires like Steve Jobs and Elon Musk have used this principle to build successful companies that have made them incredibly wealthy. For example, Steve Jobs' focus on taking risks and pushing the boundaries of technology has helped him build Apple into one of the most successful companies in the world, while Elon Musk's focus on taking risks and pursuing ambitious projects like SpaceX and Tesla has helped him become one of the most innovative and successful entrepreneurs of our time. Let's take a look at some real-life success stories of individuals who have implemented the principles of Rich Dad, Poor Dad and achieved financial success. One such example is Robert Kiyosaki, a successful entrepreneur and investor who is best known for his role on the TV show Shark Tank. Kiyosaki credits his success to the principles he learned from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, including the importance of financial education and the power of leverage. He's used these principles to build a successful career in technology and investing, and has become one of the most successful sharks on the show. Another real-life success story is that of Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, a multi-billion-dollar clothing company. Blakely credits her success to the principles of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, particularly the importance of taking risks and being willing to fail. She has said that she learned from the book to embrace failure and see it as a learning opportunity rather than a defeat. This mindset has helped her overcome obstacles and build a successful business that has made her one of the wealthiest women in the world. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a powerful book that can help you achieve financial freedom and wealth. By focusing on building assets that generate passive income, taking control of your finances, educating yourself about money and investing, leveraging other people's time and resources, and being willing to take risks, you can follow in the footsteps of successful billionaires and achieve your own financial success. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards financial independence today.